Arts Workfly.
You know that you could use foil paper to create texture? Well, today I am going to use foil paper to create texture. Now this texture actually creates a flower. Now if you know the name of this flower, you can comment down below, but I think it resembles a dandelion. The point is that you can use almost anything to paint. Now here I am painting the stem and the leaves. So if you really want to try painting, just grab something, but ensure that you have your desired paint. It could be acrylic, it could be watercolor, it could be gouache. Anything that you prefer, you can use it. Start painting today. Please remember to like, share, comment, subscribe, and hit the bell so you can always know when I upload.